I greet everybody. I greet men, I greet women. I greet small children, I greet the old people. I'm doing this video about Agaba leaf because I have been accused of being a racist. Many people have asked me, why did I introduce only this winch leaf in Igbo without speaking English? That's why I'm appealing to the public to forgive me. I'm appealing to the wise people to forgive me. It's because they say charity begins at home. And my English is Susu, Chinese say Susu, German say ambitious. My English is very little. That's why I have to speak in Igbo to introduce this Agaba leaf. What I was saying to the world is, it is very painful that many of our children, our daughters, fathers, brothers, sisters, has been suffering on the cause of witch curses, misfortune from witchcraft, and they have been spending money, millions, going up and down without a better result. This leaf is called Agaba leaf. Most places where you go for a spiritual work, no matter the materials being gathered, this Agaba leaf is always among. Because this Agaba leaf is used to wash away everything that is misfortune, bad luck that comes from the wise people, which is called the witches. I also explained that there are different kinds of witches. There are witches who are always meant to repair, who are helpful, but they cannot be able to defend themselves in public, because if they say they are witches, people will be scared of them. People will be hiding away from them. But actually, they committed themselves in doing good things. But what they did at night, they will tell nobody during the day. Because they know that if they tell you what they have done for you at night, you will be accusing them of being witches. Therefore, they keep silent. There are others who are in the left side handed, who are committed in teaching people lessons, doing sorts of bad things to others. So those things that being done to other people, to have misfortune, a woman not to get married, not to have children, business to fall after some few months or years, if you keep this leaf in your business, it is like what they say to Moses, that you should go and mark all the houses of the Israelites. If you bath with this leaf, most of the misfortune that is following you, that caused by men or women, will be washed away. That is simple what I was explaining in Igbo in details. And I'm pleading to you people to forgive. I'm not a racist, but as I said, charity begins at home. I know that my people have suffered a lot and spent money a lot going up and down. This Agaba leaf, you can see I'm doing this record very close to that Agaba leaf. This leaf is everywhere. It's in your hometown. It's in your villages. If you can't find it, send me a message. I will send it to you free of charge. But you will pay for the postage. I have also prepared a perfume with this leaf for those who are living very far away, like those who are in London, Europe, and America, or any part of the world. If they use that perfume, put it in the water they are using to take their bath, sprinkle it in their house or in their business. My brothers and sisters, there is no story like winches disturbing you. If you are having any misfortune or any other thing, you have to check yourself, because it's not winch. That's why I'm introducing this leaf to everybody without cost. It is something that has given to me from generations, free of charge. And I think it is the time that I give it to you as well, free of charge, without collecting money from you. But let me make it clear, the one I prepare with perfume, that has a cost on it, because it is a kind of concentrated, well prepared for those who are far away that cannot be able to get this Agaba leaf. This Agaba leaf is what I have explained in Igbo, and I hope you may find it around your corner, or you give me a message. Call my number 081 34 311 319. 081 34 311 319. I will send it to you free of charge. If you need the one that has been prepared, that will cost you some money. May the blessings be.